Hey, today I'm gonna show you how to remove the TikTok watermark in a free way without buying the DaVinci Resolve Studio version. Let's go! First off, you need your video. Obviously, only to use your video that you own and don't steal a video. And then throw it into Resolve. Now you need 3 layers, or well, more depending on what's going on the video. But you will always need 2, because there's one watermark on the top left, and after a couple of seconds there's one on the bottom right. So you need 2 extra video lines. Now that you have that, go into the color page. Then go into the Windows window, just that little circle that says window. Click that one, click the curve, that, I don't know, pen with a curve, and just make a square on the right of the TikTok logo. Now let's go to the node editor. Click right click, add the alpha output, and just connect the blue to the blue output, which is the alpha mask, and connect it to the blue thing. Then let's go back to the edit page. Then pull the lever you just made a mask for to the left, click this chain icon, and just scale it on the x-axis so it's a little spread out. Now we need to go back in the color tab and soften it a bit. Just go to the soft one and I don't know, increase that, and the outside. Then go back to the window editor, the power window on the left right here, and then play around with the softness a bit so you don't see a seam on the right like you do right now. And you can already see what's happening. It's kind of wrong, but if you're looking at the middle of the cube right there, you don't really see that it's kind of wrong, right? So if you're not really looking for it, no one would really notice that you got rid of the watermark. Now there's a second TikTok watermark on the bottom right, so we need another stencil thingy for it to get rid of it. So let's go back into the color page, make a square mask, then add a alpha output, connect that with the video again, then go back into the edit page, put it over the TikTok watermark, then at the zoom just get rid of the linking by clicking off the chain, squeezing it out again, and then add a little bit of feather. And there you go, you pretty much stole your own watermark again, but this time for free.